Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to edit profiles using grip with transparency command. The method just reviewed let you quickly create profile in the previous exercises. We saw how sample profiles reflect changes in the surface along the parent alignment and how to lay out a design profile using a few different techniques. We will also import a text file with profile information. In all these cases you just left the profile as originally designed with no analysis or editing. In the next series of exercises we will begin to look at some of the profile editing method available. The most basic is a more precise grip editing methodology, which you will learn about first. Then we will see how to modify the PVI based layout profiles, how to change out the components that make up layout profiles, and how to use some other miscellaneous editing functions. Once a profile layout is in place, sometimes a simple grip editing will suffice, but for precision editing we can use the grip along with transparent command or dynamic input, as we will do in this exercise. Just open the drawing 707 profile editing from the description link, which you can download. If you did not get it, please write down in the comment box and I will provide you this drawing. Once you will open this drawing, you will see a row D profile here. Now pick the row DFG profile, which is our blue line here, to activate the grips like this. Okay, look at the PVI round 0 plus 594.36. okay, here we have PVI, and pick the vertical triangle grip on the vertical crisp curve to begin a grip stretch of PVI like this. Then the command line stats specify stretch point. On the transparent command here, you can see we have transparent command, and the previous exercises for the profiles creation we already used them, and now we can also use them with transparent command, grip editing with transparent command to get more precise results. So here we have profile station elevation. Just click here, and at the select profile view you can pick a grid line on the row D profile video to select view to select. At the specified station, write 601.98, press enter, and then at the specify elevation 2.286, and then press enter. You will see it has been changed from 0.594 to 601.98. so this is how we can use grips with transparency command to get more precise results. Now click the vertical grip for the PVI near station 0 plus 426.72 here. Okay, just put here like this. If dynamic input is not turned on already, click the dynamic input icon at the bottom of your screen if available, or you can also press just F12 to on and off this toggle like this. You should see two editable tooltip on the screen, which you can see with my cursor, one for the station and one for the elevation. You may need to zoom out to see them. Okay, now enter 434.34 as a station value and just press enter. The value you type in will populate the dynamic tooltip and your profile will be updated like this. The grips can go from quick and dirty editing tools to precise editing tools when you use them in conjunction with the transparency command or dynamic input. They lack the ability to precisely control a curve length though, so you will look at editing of the curves in the next exercise of curve editing of profiles. So stay tuned with us for the advanced Civil 3D knowledge.